Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Wendy Shenarigan, and we talk about everything renovations, DIY, life, health, anything that will increase your lifestyle. That's what we talk about, but mainly renovations and repairs and travel. So today I wanted to show you all just a investment property that we're looking at to renovate. I have definitely taken our renovations outside of our home and outside of regular J&T installation and repair work. So this would be a potential property that we would be looking at to fully renovate in the Central Virginia area. This is a duplex. So we have invested before in other properties, but they were only single family homes. So this is a 2-family house in Central Virginia. And what we try to look at, and you're going to see that when I video this, I try to look up and down the walls. We try to make sure there aren't any cracks or something that's showing that there are foundation issues or water damage. We look for mold. We look for eventually, when we do our inspection, we'll be looking to make sure that all of the sockets work. We would be looking for, looking at the windows to see if they need to be replaced. So any of the major things we could see, that's what we look for. And we also look at the surrounding community around to see how much other houses have sold for as well. So both units are a 2-bedroom home. One unit, and this unit is a 2-bathroom as well. The other unit is only 1.5 bath. And I did notice there were some water stains or water damage or something on the ceiling. So I wanted to capture that as well. Because of course I'm not doing the repairs. My husband's company would be. So I just want to show as much as possible to him because I'm sending this video over to him as well. So my main concern here is, well, not my main concern. One of the things I would like for you to do is to like and subscribe, because I have so many people who come to my channel but they don't subscribe or they don't like, but they watch my videos. So please, it would definitely help my algorithm. I know in this unit, we would definitely need to replace all of the appliances and also the cabinets. If you are new to investing, please overlook the dirt. Investment properties will be dirty. Do not be scared of the dirt. You have to look at the vision of what it will be in the future. A lot of what I'm seeing right now is cosmetic work, but there is also some other issues that would be more major that we would need to take off of the price. I'm not sure if we are actually going to get this contract because we're putting in an offer that is substantially lower than what they're asking. But there's a lot of work that needs to be done. For example, I'm going to show you what needs to be done in a second, which really scared me when I went to go look at it. Yeah, we're going to need to fix this window. Yeah. Little Shop of Horrors is coming through the window. Okay. I mean, my goodness. But again, those are the type of things that you would need to take off of the asking price to get fixed. We do plan on keeping you in the loop on how this project goes, or even if it's another project as it relates to investment properties and flipping. So if you like that type of content, make sure that you hit the notification bell and subscribe so that way you know when the next video will hit. I also would like to say that the pictures that were provided on the internet were not near as accurate as the actual house. So we definitely would need to replace the sink and the toilet. And I think we may have to do the tub as well. But again, this is what you're going to be looking at. This is not abnormal for an investment property unless you're buying an investment property that's already been renovated and all you need to do is turnkey and you're renting it out. I try to capture the plumbing as well for my husband so he can kind of see. I know the toilet looks nasty, but trying to capture that as well. If you're looking for a realtor in the Central Virginia area, Chris Woods is phenomenal. And I have a few others as well who are realtors, like Moore Winfield. Um, those two are just really, really good realtors in the Central Virginia area. So right now I'm looking at the water heater. A lot of times the water heaters are old, and when they break and start leaking, you don't want that. So I was looking at it just to make sure it's good. This is the backyard. It needs to be cleaned. Landscaping needs to be done, but it's small, so that's something that could be easily done. Next, I'm going to show you, I was actually able to go to the next unit, and she allowed me to kind of take pictures of what's happening in her area. So here we are. This is the HVAC unit that's been sweating, and it actually fell. And then here is the mold stemming from the HVAC unit because the condensation is creating mold. So again, like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you so much for watching.